Let me show you one of the easiest ways to create a WhatsApp Ask Me AI chatbot, okay? So we're here in Go High Level, and if you don't know anything about Go High Level, it's basically an all-in-one marketing software that lets you build AI chatbots, AI voice agents. It has a CRM built in, calendar built in, and a lot of other features that I cover on my channel. But today we're going to create a WhatsApp Ask Me AI chatbot in a couple of seconds. You will see how powerful this Go High Level platform actually is. So first of all, you can go and you can sign up with my link down below. You have a 30-day free trial. And also if you sign up with my link, you will get a entire prompt for building this WhatsApp AI chatbot for absolutely free. So as you can see, we're here in my sub account. A sub account in Go High Level represents your business. So this is where your business is going to be located, and every single feature right here on the left side is going to be from your business. So in this case, we're going to go to SKI. SKI is kind of like a Claude or ChatGPT embedded inside Go High Level. So what we can do is we can go here and copy this entire prompt, and we can paste it right here. But what we want to do is we want to add some other things. Like for example, as you can see here, we have bot purpose, build a customer-facing WhatsApp chatbot for, and then here we're going to be adding our name of the business. So in this case, we have Owens Orthodontics. So we're going to go with that one. So we're going to go here, Owens Orthodontics, okay? And we're going to be adding the website. So what Go High Level does, it takes website and then based on that builds a knowledge base and builds a WhatsApp chatbot that you can use. So in this case, we go here, we copy this, and we're going to be pasting it right here, okay? Now here, as you can see, the knowledge base setup, again, we're adding just the link of the website, and that's pretty much it. We can hit enter here. And now on the right side here, you will see how the Go High Level is thinking about it. It's basically going and creating this conversational AI chatbot or Ask Me AI chatbot. And this is by far the best possible and the fastest possible way to build a WhatsApp Ask Me AI chatbot, and also to have everything in one platform, which is Go High Level. So as you can see, it's loading the specific sub skills for the knowledge base creation, and it's going through each of these steps and creating the WhatsApp AI chatbot. So let's wait a little bit and let's see what Go High Level can actually do for us here. Now, as you can see right here, it says already completed, bot created, channel WhatsApp, set as a primary bot, autopilot mode, personality warm and friendly, goals, it answers frequently asked questions, qualify leads, drive to consultation booking. Again, you can change this in here as well if you want. So you can just go and you can say something like, I want this changed. And as you can see, full domain crawl of the website. So now what we need to do is we need to go here on this green button and we want to go to our AI agent section. Let's go to conversation AI and agent list. And as you can see, this is the primary conversation AI assistant. Conversation AI in Go High Level is a chatbot. So we click on here. And as you can see, we have channels and mode, which is called WhatsApp. So this is exactly what we want. Now, if we want WhatsApp to actually work, what we want to do is we want to go to settings, and somewhere around here, you will have WhatsApp, as you can see, and you want to enable the $10 per month for your account. Okay, this is really much needed in order for this to work. And once you have this, again, it's very cheap. It's $10 a month. And once you have this, you need to go back. And now we actually need to put this conversation AI or AI chatbot on our website. Now, it doesn't matter where you have your website hosted, this will work. So what you want to do is you want to go, obviously first you want to make sure that your agent is primary right here. From there, you want to go to sites, chat widget, and then create new chat widget. Make sure it is right here, WhatsApp chat. Right here. Well, you can also do a live chat as well, but as you can see, we cannot do the WhatsApp chat because we don't have WhatsApp enabled. So you can go and you can click on that once you have your WhatsApp Done. Now, if you want to add this to your website, let's say you want this to be a live chat, you can go with live chat, and then you can add this to your website as well. Like, for example, you can get it for WordPress here, right? And then you can, add that through the lead connector on your website. However, again, since this is a WhatsApp chatbot, you will just need to go new and click WhatsApp chat, and then the visitors can message you directly on WhatsApp. This is ideal, again, as you can see, for small teams. So just make sure you first enable the WhatsApp, and then you would be able to do that as well. So if you want to see how I enable WhatsApp and how to do that as well in Go High Level, then make sure to check out some of my other videos as well, and then check out the 30-day free trial down below in the description, because you will be able to get this WhatsApp AI chatbot prompt, as well as some other benefits along with the 30-day free trial on Go High Level. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video, and leave a like down below and comment if you have any questions.